Hey Jans, my name is Shambhavi and today I'm going to tell you how to prep your skin before makeup. And there is so many reasons to prep your skin before makeup. But first things first, I have described made for skin, super oily, normal, sensitive and dry skin. It is very important to prep your skin before makeup because of three main reasons. First, it will minimize the texture of your skin. You will have less texture to cover and you really can't even cover the texture. It's better to minimize them. Second, it will give longevity to your makeup. Your makeup will last for a good amount of time. And third, you will have less discoloration to cover. So if you use less product, there will be less cakiness and the makeup look flawless and natural and more skin-like. And good skin prep means amazing makeup base. To see how I do their skin prep to my skin prep to all of the skin prep, let's roll into the main content. You can see I have did my skin prep in this video. I look flawless. I just wash my hand before touching my face. First step, cleansing. I'm using this Aroma Magic Neem and Tea Tree face wash and I'll go with the technique called dry cleansing. Take any face wash whichever suits your skin and start massaging it without using any water for 30 seconds. Massage it until it became disappear and then apply some water on your fingertip and again massage it for 30 seconds. Doing this for 1 minute gives the time to the cleanser to do its job properly. Next step, homemade physical exfoliator, which is also known as a scrub. It is a mixture of rice flour and turmeric. Mix it with some water and make it in a thin paste. Then apply it and be very gentle with the pressure. The rice granules which exfoliates the dead cells and the turmeric will act like a bleach and it will brighten your skin. Be very gentle with the pressure. This is my after scrubbed skin. I'll tone my skin with this biotic toner. It will maintain the pH balance of my skin and also prepare my skin for what coming next. Just glide it across the face without being too harsh. If you are a sensitive skin, don't do this step after using a scrub. It will be harsh on your skin and you will have a stringy feeling on your face. Instead, you can use this as a toner. I'm using this Dabur Gulabri rose water and gonna do the slapping motion. For 30 seconds, it will boost the blood flow in my skin and wakes the skin cells to do its work. This is actually a kind of a skincare video, so even if you are male, you can do this all of these steps if you want to. Skincare is not based on gender, it's based on skin. I'll use this Aroma Magic eye cream, I don't know why I said this, in a pea-size amount and tap it all across my eyelid and my eye area and be very gentle with it and moisturize it. That's it. I'll moisturize my lip with this Vaseline Oldie Goldie Lip Balm. If you are an oily skin, go with this Aroma Magic oil-free moisturizer, or you are a combination skin, then use this serum as a moisturizer. This is Aroma Magic oil-free moisturizer. It is just like an essence, has a very runny, watery texture. More than a toner and less than a serum. If you are an oily or super oily, use this as a moisturizer. You have to fill the gap of hydration because already your skin is producing a lot of oil. Now this is a biotic serum which is thinner than a cream and thicker than an essence. It is best moisturizer for normal, combination and oily skin, but not for the super oily skin. It's a bit moisturizing but not in a creamy moisturizing. And whatever is left, put it onto your neck. Cetaphil Daily Advanced Moisturizer. It is a creamy, thick moisturizer and it's hypoallergenic, which means it is a best fit for sensitive dry skin. Repeat after me. Moisturizer is a key to good makeup. Moisturizer is a key to good makeup. A good moisturizer will keep the makeup away from crusting, caking and also strengthens the longevity of the makeup. In my next step, I'll massage my skin and do a bit of lymphatic drainage. I'll not use the nails, only going to use knuckles. First, I'll put my knuckles under the cheekbone and glide it towards the ear. Pressure wise, not too painful, not too light. I'll do the same for my forehead and do it for a good amount of time until I see myself turning red or you see yourself turning red. Lymph nodes are the gateways to eliminate toxins. This massage strengthens the facial muscles, promotes collagen production, boosts blood circulation, and detoxifies your skin. Plus, the skin absorbs the skincare better and the product goes a little bit deeper into your skin. Under your ear, behind your jawbone, you will find an almond kind of thing. Press it not too hard, not too light, as much as you can take it. And take it down to the neck and chest. Do it for 8 times. This way you will get rid of the toxins, and that almond kind of thing is the biggest lymph node which kills the bad cell and bacteria in your skin. I do this trick. I use back of my hand to touch the face skin. If they both stick together, perfect. The skin is well moisturized, and then I take a tissue paper to take the excess off if there is. And that's it. My skin is well moisturized and ready for makeup. I hope you all find it helpful. See you all in my next video, and thanks for watching. Upcoming bloopers. Someone out there. Mummy, there's a fire starting in my heart. Let's roll into the main content. I actually did mine because I have no model right now, so I did it.